Welcome back to episode 7 of NMcDonough Consulting's AI Bootcamp. I'm Noah McDonough, focusing today on the future of AI and workforce transformation. This is our final general episode in the series, and I can't wait to dive in. From episode 6, we learned that responsible AI builds trust and competitive advantage. We discovered governance, transparency, and risk management are all non-negotiables. Today, we look forward, preparing ourselves for what's coming next week, next month, next year, and the near future. By the end of this session, you'll have clarity on where AI is heading and what it means for your workforce. We'll explore emerging AI trends, understand artificial general intelligence, see autonomous systems in action, identify which jobs are at risk and which are empowered. We'll learn how to lead AI human collaboration and prepare for unpredictable disruptions. My promise is that you'll leave equipped to position your organization and people for success in the AI era. Three emerging trends are reshaping business right now, not tomorrow. Autonomous AI agents independently complete complex tasks and learn continuously. Imagine AI managing workflows, responding to issues, and optimizing processes without waiting for direction. Companies are deploying this today. Edge AI pushes computation to local devices. Think cars, sensors, drones, enabling real time decisions without internet dependence. Smart factories maintaining themselves, supply chains optimizing in real time. Then, quantum AI fusion brings quantum computing's power to AI, solving problems with thousands of variables in seconds instead of hours. The optimization possibilities are enormous. Leading firms aren't waiting, they're experimenting with these technologies right now. Today's AI is specialized. It excels at narrow tasks but can adapt across domains. Tomorrow's AGI is general intelligence, adapting to new situations with minimal retraining, demonstrating abstract reasoning, and self directed learning. Today's AI focuses on pattern recognition, task specific optimization, and predictable outputs. Tomorrow's AGI will have abstract reasoning, flexible expertise, and human level adaptation. Forward thinking organizations are preparing now to avoid being blindsided. Evolve your governance, prepare your teams, and start today. Multimodal AI sees, hears, reads, and reasons about all inputs simultaneously. In healthcare, AI analyzes medical images alongside patient histories for comprehensive diagnosis. Radiologists apply clinical expertise to what AI flags. Next gen chatbots understand sentiment from voice, facial expressions, and text, genuinely empathetic support. Enterprise search pulls answers from documents, images, audio, video. All your company knowledge becomes instantly accessible. Here's the business implication. Multimodal AI removes friction and understands context more completely. Organizations leveraging this will deliver customer experiences competitors can't match. Quiz time. Which emerging technology enables independent task completion and learning from feedback? Is it A, quantum AI, B, edge AI, C, autonomous AI agents, or D, multimodal AI? The answer is C. Autonomous AI agents revolutionize operations by operating independently across diverse tasks, continuously improving through experience. Real autonomous systems are creating measurable value now. Manufacturing has predictive maintenance systems that diagnose conditions and schedule repairs before breakdowns occur. Dramatic uptime improvements and cost reductions are major results. If you look at financial services, you'll see robo-advisors providing 24/7 personalized investment guidance and continuously balancing portfolios. No human advisor can match that attention and speed. When you look at retail and shipping, you'll see AI driven logistics optimizing routes, predicting demand, and managing inventory autonomously. Supply chains are quickly becoming self optimizing. Pivoting to healthcare, you'll see point of care diagnostics providing instant insights during examinations and improving outcomes in remote settings. The critical balance here is to design escalation procedures and KPIs that balance efficiency gains with human oversight. Autonomous does not mean unsupervised. Edge AI moves computation from centralized clouds to local devices, enabling instant processing without internet dependence. If you're wondering why this matters, it's because reduced latency is required for split second decisions. Privacy by design with data staying on local devices is a huge benefit. Lower bandwidth costs, eliminating massive transmission expenses, and independence from internet outages. Here are the real applications. You can have instant checkout systems in retail, eliminating checkout lines, real time traffic management, reducing city congestion, and smart cities are becoming possible through distributed intelligence. Edge AI makes AI accessible where cloud connections are impractical or expensive. Quantum computing will turbocharge AI, but it's important to be realistic. In 2025, quantum AI has started to emerge. There's pilot projects showing promise in specific domains, but commercial viability still remains a little bit away. Don't delay current AI initiatives trying to wait for quantum breakthroughs. Here's what to watch: molecular simulation, error correction progress, optimization problems with millions of variables, and increasing qubit counts. Here's the near term opportunity: hybrid quantum classical approaches combining quantum capabilities with classical computing. This delivers practical business value today. Finally, you should treat quantum AI as medium term development worth monitoring, not immediate deployment priority. The future isn't humans versus machines. It's understanding which skills AI amplifies and which it replaces. Here's an example of some of the jobs that are likely to be automated. Things that involve routine, repetitive work like data entry, basic customer service, bookkeeping, and assembly. These have predictable patterns and clear rules, which is exactly what AI excels at. Now, here are jobs that are going to be empowered: things that involve creativity, analytics, and emotional roles where AI augments human capability. Marketers, designers, analysts, healthcare providers, and strategists. These transform and often become more valuable. Here's the important distinction: can machines do this faster and cheaper? That's a high displacement risk. Does it require more human judgment, creativity, empathy, and ethical reasoning? That role transforms and becomes much more valuable. From what I've seen, there's 6 skills that are fundamental for success in this new AI-driven world. The first is complex problem solving. This is tackling ambiguous challenges without clear answers. This is what AI just can't replicate. Next is adaptability, learning quickly, pivoting, and thriving amid constant change. It's followed by ethical judgment, which is navigating moral questions and ensuring responsible AI deployment. Then you have creativity, which is generating original ideas beyond pattern recognition. Next, you have emotional intelligence, so building relationships and providing empathy machines just can't. And finally, cross disciplinary collaboration. This is where you can bridge technical and business domains. My advice is to develop deep expertise in one area and broad capabilities across the other 5. That combination makes you truly indispensable. I want to talk about AI transforming and creating entirely new career categories. One that I've noticed is this AI trainer role that provides human feedback to improve model accuracy. Some necessary skills include domain expertise, critical thinking, and communication. The impact here is that we have people ensuring AI systems learn appropriate responses. The next new role is that prompt engineer role that I'm sure y'all have heard about. This person creates precise prompts to elicit optimal AI outputs. Skills involved include technical writing, experimentation, and creativity. The impact here is that these people are able to maximize AI value through effective interaction. Next, we have AI ethicists that audit systems for bias, privacy violations, and compliance. Important skills here are ethical frameworks, policy knowledge, and data analytics. The impact these AI ethicists have is that they protect organizations from legal and reputational risk. And finally, AI experienced designers are shaping intuitive interfaces for human AI collaboration. Necessary skills include UX design, psychology, and familiarity with user research. The impact here is that they're making AI accessible for all users. The common thread between these new roles is that these are people combining technical knowledge with human judgment. Quiz time. Which skill is most critical for thriving alongside AI? Is it A, basic data entry, B, complex problem solving, C, manual assembly skills, or D, repetitive task automation? The answer? B, complex problem solving. Data entry and repetitive tasks are exactly what AI automates. Skills gaining value involve ambiguity, judgment, and creative thinking. Real companies transform their workforce through deliberate reskilling strategies. They start with gap analysis, which is assessing current skills versus future needs. This helps identify critical gaps in AI literacy and adaptive thinking. Next, they design personalized paths. These are tailored learning journeys based on role, aptitude, and goals. Personalized approaches often increase engagement. Next, they look at offering micro credentials, which are bite sized, stackable certifications through project based learning. Next, they build industry partnerships, building on collaboration with tech providers and universities for cutting edge curriculum. Finally, they enable career transitions. This is that support for employees that are moving into AI adjacent roles with mentorship and transitional projects. Real companies have peer led programs, continuous learning cultures, and intentional investment in people. The most powerful outcomes emerge when AI serves as a co pilot for human decision making. AI handles data processing and pattern recognition, which are areas that it excel. But humans provide context, ethics, and strategic thinking. Together, they achieve what neither could alone. Some examples are found in healthcare, creative agencies, and supply chains. But the future belongs to professionals who collaborate effectively with AI, not those trying to compete against it. Organizations typically build AI driven advantages through four pathways. The first is process superiority. This is where they streamline operations for faster, cheaper delivery than competitors. Next is hyper personalization, tailored experiences for each individual, building unmatched loyalty. Next is innovation velocity. This is where they experiment, learn, and iterate faster than their competitors. And finally, talent magnetism. This is where they attract performers who want cutting edge tools and meaningful impact. Companies pulling ahead execute AI strategy most effectively across the market. AI disruption follows predictable patterns across industries. Whether it's banking, logistics, education, or healthcare, prime examples are already present. Now, what separates the winners here is fast iteration, continuous feedback loops, ethical guardrails, and proactive stakeholder engagement. First movers who master AI disruption own their industry for a decade. The future belongs to organizations that learn faster than the rate of change. Some core attributes about these winners is decentralized decision making that pushes authority to problem solvers, high experimentation rates that run many small tests, formalized knowledge capture, turning insights into organizational wisdom, and companies that reward curiosity and celebrate rapid failure. Now, if you're wondering how to build this, here are a couple steps. Start with modeling vulnerability. Admit what you don't know. Allocate learning time, let's say 20% of work hours to development. Create feedback loops through regular retrospectives, and connect learning to customer value and business impact. Organizations that build this learning muscle adapt faster and compete more effectively. Quiz time. What's a key attribute of AI native businesses versus legacy companies? Is it A, heavy reliance on legacy systems? B, AI as fundamental core competency from inception? C, minimal use of AI? Or D, incremental AI without strategic focus? The answer B. AI native businesses design every process around AI from inception. Legacy companies bolt AI onto existing processes. This architectural difference creates a compounding advantage in speed, efficiency, and decision quality. One thing's for certain, the future will surprise you. You need to build organizational muscle to sense, respond, and adapt. There's four main practices for doing this: anti-fragility stress tests simulating extreme scenarios, black swan exercises imagining low probability, high impact events, portfolio approach maintaining optionality through diverse experiments, and finally, scenario planning for multiple possible futures. Your game plan should follow this. Try to sense through early warning systems. Think about market scanning, customer feedback, and technology monitoring. Then, anticipate by maintaining strategic optionality. Think about flexible resources, diverse partnerships, and rapid decision making. Make sure you're reacting by running what if scenarios regularly. Organizations that develop anti fragility actually benefit from disruption rather than just surviving it. Let's talk about your personal AI learning journey. If you're leading AI transformation, you must commit to continuous learning. You should start by auditing your skills honestly. Assess your technical capabilities, business acumen, and adaptive mindset. Then, chart future demand. Research which skills employers value in 3 to 5 years. Once you know that, you can start to access structured learning. Prioritize applied learning over theory. Doing beats watching. Next, try to build your network. Join AI communities, attend meetups, engage with peers. Learning happens through connection. Next, try to find mentorship, whether that's a formal mentor, an informal advisor, or a learning partner that can guide your development. Finally, try to experiment hands on. Apply what you learn through projects and work. Practice really beats theory. My advice is to aim for a T shaped expertise: deep knowledge in one area, plus broad business, communication, and problem solving skills. That combination is incredibly valuable. Let's go over our Session 7 key takeaways. First, commit to ongoing learning and reskilling at every level. Continuous learning is just a non negotiable. Monitor rising technologies, think edge AI, quantum computing, and multimodal AI for emerging opportunities. Next, redesign roles rather than replace jobs. Try to create that hybrid human plus AI position. Next, embrace AI human partnership, supporting collaboration between people and intelligent agents. Additionally, leverage AI for competitive advantage through process superiority, hyper personalization, innovation velocity, and talent magnetism. And finally, develop strategies for disrupted markets and responsible leadership. My success formula includes learning plus foresight plus collaboration plus action plus adaptability equals future ready workforce. The future truly belongs to organizations that lead, learn, and partner with AI. Companies executing this strategy are winning right now. Thank you for tuning in to episode 7, our last general episode together. We explore the AI future, from autonomous agents and edge AI to workforce transformation and preparation. If you have any questions, please reach out to Noah at NMcDonoughConsulting.com. If there's enough interest, maybe it'll lead to an additional episode. Our complete journey in episodes 1 to 7 covered foundations, machine learning, generative AI, tools, strategy, ethics, and now the future of AI. For my clients, there's an additional custom episode focusing on unique AI use cases within your organization. If you're looking for a trusted AI partner to bring executional horsepower to your AI initiatives, let's connect and explore the possibilities. Thank you so much for tuning into this series. It's been a blast building it and hearing your feedback. Keep learning, experimenting, and pushing forward. The future is being built right now, and by taking the time to educate yourself, you're already ahead. Take care and catch you next time.